All right, it's December 21st and it's Thursday. And I'm going to be completely honest, today was absolutely terrible, just like the rest of this week has been. So, yeah, I kind of blew my evaluation today. Um, I don't even know how much I was down yesterday from on the account, but I lost in total today, I think like $244, something around there. And yeah, overall, it wasn't a good day. I mean, I started off with two losses, and then after that, I was just $100 away from blowing the account. And I have a week left in this account anyways, so I get charged again. So I made the decision to blow the account. So I just took a couple more random ass trades where I was just like kind of joking around, which isn't like the best thing, but I didn't care at that point. I had $100 left, and I wanted to reset the account, so I blew the account. So yeah, I'm gonna go over the two trades where I actually meant to take them, and I took them on purposefully. So yeah, I'm gonna pull this up on Spy because it kind of be easier to describe it. So yeah, what a start to the day. I mean, yeah, a lot of chopping in the morning. We couldn't really decide on where we were going, like the market, and I should have realized earlier. I mean, my first trade was okay, but after my first trade, I should have just like not traded or have traded because I mean we were just chopping and there was no clear move. So yeah, opened up here and we were holding the 15-minute range pretty nicely for the first half hour of the market open, even on ES here. Was here. I think that's didn't even change. There we go. Okay, so ES right here. So I mean, even ES at the time, it was holding 15-minute range, or not the 15-minute range, the 5-day pretty well. It doesn't show it clearly right here because it's moved up a little bit, but yeah, it was holding nicely in the morning, but then just like once it hit like 8 o'clock, it broke through VWAP, and then on NQ, it broke the 5-day, came up to retest it, and then that's when SPY and ES followed, broke 5-day, broke below the 15-minute range. So I was looking to play short here, play the 15-minute range. We didn't get a nice candle close, but we did have a nice VWAP rejection right here. So I mean that was 814. See where 814 was on here. I mean ES was right there, and then NQ and QQQ were also, I'm pretty sure, right at VWAP as well, right there. And they were like 5-day was right there as well. So it looks pretty good. I mean, we had the nice rejection off VWAP and 5-day. So I didn't get in exactly on the 15-minute range. I got in a little bit above. But on NinjaTrader, okay, it doesn't show, I don't know why I pulled it up. It doesn't show my entries just because I already blew the account, so the eval doesn't show up. So I'm just going to show them all in here. So, I mean, I entered in about right here, and then I got stopped out. I had a 3-point stop. It was right at VWAP, so, and it wasn't even like, I was just wrong on the trade. No problem. I mean, the trade wasn't bad. I didn't want to miss this, and I figured it wasn't like, it wasn't a bad entry, to be honest. It might have, it was lower probability. I wish I would have noticed it earlier, and I should have gone with half my position, but yeah, that's what it is. That one just didn't work out. So yeah, it came up, almost broke above 15-minute range right here, but sellers overpowered and came back down, kind of chopping in between the 5-day again and also the 15-minute range. And so I mean, there were just like plenty of wedges forming today. So, and then my next trade, which honestly I shouldn't have even taken this trade. Pretty sure it was on NQ, I'm pretty sure. And I mean, it was just like we came up to retest the 5-day again, and also we were holding. Yeah, it was like, actually I'm pretty sure it was on ES. We were kind of, once we pushed the review up, we were kind of holding it right here, and so we were also on like right at the 15-minute range. I mean, we had this wick right here, and so I think it was at 9 o'clock. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 9 o'clock we were rejecting off VWAP as well, and NQ and QQQ. So I mean that looked pretty good, but it just it didn't work out. I mean I got in right here on ES because I mean we kept rejecting off VWAP, and we came at the wick, and then once the candle closed nicely on the 15-minute range, and so that was my indicator to get in, and I did. But I mean it came up, and my stop loss was hit like right about up here. So yeah, I mean it came close. I mean I think it went above my stop about a point and then came down, but then I would have got stopped out again right up here. But then after that, it just kind of dumped. And then after the second trade, I was like, that's when all hell broke loose, and I just destroyed my account. I don't even want to get into the trades that I was kind of joking around with, so I won't even. It's like they weren't even like real setups. I just like kind of bought in randomly. I was just trying to blow up the account. So yeah, it wasn't a good day. And even coming back from yesterday, I mean, yesterday we had this big sell-off, and I didn't get any of it, which, I mean, it's whatever. I mean, I can't catch everything. I wasn't even at my computer at the time, and yeah, it was hard to predict this. I mean, it's just so random. Maybe I could have caught a little bit of it, but I mean, I had really no setup to actually get in it, so I don't mind. But yeah, we were just kind of chopping. So I mean, we're still kind of trying to figure out where to go the one day. And so not sure where to go from here. I mean, we might consolidate tomorrow as well. And then next week, since Christmas is next week, we might chop a little more because it might be low volume, but who knows? We'll see. And I mean, I'm not going to be completely shorting or yet. I mean, just going to wait to see what the market presents to me. And I mean, I'm going to be trading sim for the next week until I get my eval back or my confidence. So yeah, it's everything. I mean, I'm down 2 losses, so whatever that is. I mean, you can see the title. I'll figure it out later once I post this video. So that is everything. Not a good day, to be honest. Not at all. I need to realize when to not trade when there's low volatility, I guess. I mean, there was some volume, but just, we couldn't figure out a clear direction. So yeah, not a good day. But I mean, we'll be back tomorrow. Maybe something will come up, and I mean, I'll just keep taking the same setups. So I'll be back tomorrow, and yeah.